Hello, hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Luana English Podcast. I'm your host, Luana, and I am so happy you are here to practice your English with us today.
And I'm Josemar. Hi, Luana, and hi to all our listeners around the world. I'm feeling very connected today.
Connected? That's a perfect word for today's topic, Josemar. Today, we aren't talking about traditional hobbies like swimming or cooking. We're talking about the digital me.
Ooh, interesting. So, social media, profiles, and how we share our lives on the internet?
Exactly. It's how we show the world who we are through our screens. Let's dive in. So, Josemar, let's be honest. What is the first thing you do when you wake up?
Oh, it's a bad habit, Luana. I reach for my phone and I start to scroll through my feed.
I do the same. I usually check Instagram first. I love looking at the photos my friends post.
Me too, but I also follow a lot of influencers. You know, people who talk about technology or healthy food. I like to see their stories to get ideas for my day.
That's cool. My profile is mostly photos of my dog and some behind the scenes of this podcast. I try to upload a new photo at least twice a week.
Your photos are great. They're always so bright. Do you use filters?
Just a little bit. I like to make the colors pop, but I think it's important to stay natural too. What about your bio, Josemar? What does it say?
My bio is very simple. It says coffee lover, tech fan, and English teacher. Short and sweet. I don't like a messy profile.
I noticed you tagged me in a photo yesterday from our recording session. I got so many notifications.
Sorry about that. I just wanted to show our followers that we are working hard. Many people commented saying they love the show.
I saw that. One person even shared our post on their own story. That makes me so happy. It's amazing how we can meet people from different countries just by following the same pages.
It really is, but sometimes I need to log off. If I spend 3 hours looking at memes, I feel like I've wasted my afternoon.
I agree. A digital detox is necessary sometimes, but for now, I love being part of this online community. Okay, Josemar, let's slow down a bit. We used a lot of internet words there. Can we look at some grammar and culture?
Definitely. First, let's talk about phrasal verbs for the internet. We said scroll through and log off. Scroll through. This is the action of moving your finger up or down the screen to see content. Log off, out. This is when you stop using an app or a website.
Great examples. And what about the word post? Is it a verb or a noun?
It's both. You can say, I'm going to post a photo, the action, or you can say, did you see my post, the thing you shared. At the A1, A2 level, it's very helpful to remember that many English words work this way.
That's a good tip. Now, a cultural point, influencers. In English, we call people with many followers influencers because they influence what people buy or think. Do you think everyone can be an influencer, Josemar?
I think so. If you have a hobby and you share it well, people will follow you. But remember, the digital me is usually only the best 10% of someone's life. Don't compare your boring Monday to someone's perfect Instagram photo.
Time for our vocabulary summary. We chose 5 words or idioms from today's chat.
Number 1, to scroll, verb. To move through text or pictures on a screen. Example, I spent the whole evening scrolling through travel photos. Number 2, feed, noun. The area on social media where you see updates from friends or pages you follow. Example, my news feed is full of cat videos today. Number 3, to tag, verb. To link someone's profile to a photo or a comment. Example, please tag me in that group photo so I can see it. Number 4, bio, noun. Short for biography. The short description under your name on your profile. Example, your bio is very funny. I love the emojis you used. Number 5, notifications, noun. The alerts or sounds your phone makes when someone interacts with you. Example, I turned off my notifications because I wanted to sleep.
And that is all for today's episode of the Luana English Podcast.
We hope you enjoyed talking about the digital me. It's a huge part of our modern lives.
Here is your call to action. Go to your favorite social media profile and write one sentence in English in your bio, or leave a comment on a post you like, in English, of course.
Great idea. Practice makes perfect. See you next time.
Bye-bye.